I present to you the Buick Muffler Delete. Mint Sylvia out tonight. The big body Buick. John, let's get a cold start. Minty Buick. Oh, thank you. All right, so we have to find a muffler with a 2-inch inlet to a 2.
We're looking for a 2 1/4 inch inlet to 2 1/4 inch outlet. I don't know why I keep on saying 2 1/2. I think because the Explorer's 2 1/2, but it's not 2 1/2. It's 2 1/4.
2-inch outlet. How do you feel about that, Andrew?
Pretty good.
Retard.
Right. This is exactly what I was looking for online.
Will that sound good with the 3800?
Absolutely, man. Okay, there's a thing on top of it.
Would you throw a hood exit on the Buick instead?
Hood exit?
Yeah.
Got the pipe.
Joe, there's one problem.
Hood exit everything.
This is a 2 1/2 to 2 1/2, not a 2 to 2.
All right, so throw it out.
You see what this is the perfect angle for, John? A good old hood exit.
Yeah. Put that on Sylvia. You got Shay helping us out. How you feeling tonight, Shay?
That's the right one, just not the correct size. No, I need
44.
That. I need the 44, but with the 2-inch on either side, not the 2 1/2.
So we're trying to figure out what AutoZone has the muffler that John wants. John, copyright music.
If they don't have it at the Super Center, they're not going to have it in person on Long Island, and I'll order it online.
All right, so we got Nitrocide in the cut. We got John in the cut. S13 Drew.
Yo, look at this truck.
Let's go, gentlemen. Oh. Oh shit, John, no stamina.
1,000 feet.
You guys are both wearing slips. This is retarded.
Hold on, let me get the Roshis in the cut.
Yeah, we gotta redo the lighting.
You gotta get the left one.
That's the best thing we ever did. I gotta get another paint marker. That paint marker ran out a while back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we gotta get a new one and redo it.
Is that it?
No, this is a 2 1/2. We need a 2. Well, this is a 40 series. This might.
We just put this in, dude.
2.25, John.
Look. 2.2. See how big this is? Look, my whole fist can go in there.
No, it passes the fist
Ant likes
test.
that.
John.
Oh, the quad.
The quad.
I don't have an Ultra, otherwise I could do a quad.
Cap.
I gotta.
John, this is the warehouse. They have everything here.
No, they got stuff in the back. No, they have stuff in the back.
Go in the back. Go look.
We're saying
Why?
compare.
They
We're
have
saying
them-
Go in the back and go look.
No, this come right out like that. Kind of mint.
Ed, you gonna go back there? Why not? Let's go back there.
He's gotta go eggs. Fucking
What's the difference between the 40 and the 44?
It goes from 2 1/4 to
Because we don't want to do a ghetto. We want to do it right.
What John said.
Interesting question.
Can you read the back of this? It's fucking heavy and big.
It says 2 1/4.
No, but it's a 40.
Yo,
it's not fucking titanium.
Where's the test?
It's not titanium. Read the back. You know how to read? Read the back.
You guys are gay.
I said the back.
What are you doing, Andrew?
Wait, read.
This man said it's heavy.
Staple shut. It's heavier than what I feel like doing right now. No, just read the fucking sticker.
John, just rip it
40.
open.
No, that's all I needed
Just
to
rip
see.
it open. It may be different. Just rip it open.
I needed to see 40 series. That's not what I want.
Yeah. Put that back.
John said that was heavy. Yo, he's low test.
Low test.
Wait, hold on.
That's retarded.
Okay, so as you can see, it's bigger than 2.5 inches on this side.
So what we do is we get a merger.
I don't want to do a merger.
That would be fucking...
What if we got something like this?
No, that's retarded. That's also
Look, if
retarded.
the tip is longer than my pinky, if it's this diameter, that's as big as I want. That's gay. How about this?
The bigger it is, the
John,
wider
just
it is.
straight.
Hold on, 9 by 2 1/4.
That's gay.
That's gay. That looks like a dick.
Andrew, what do you think?
If it was coming out the hood, it would be cool.
Andrew, you're about to come out the hood. That's no.
Oval.
That's
Why
garbage.
is it oval?
It's ovular. Find me something that says 2.5, 2 1/4 at the end.
John, just get a pipe.
Wait, John, you said they have it.
They do have it, but this
No,
is
this
the
is the
tip.
tip.
This is not the muffler. This is
You don't need a retarded looking tip. John, all old American cars just have straight. Right here. Let's put this on it. John.
What's the restrictions? Like it's fucking see-through. What kind of more restrictions is it?
No, the cat, meathead.
John, you looking for a louder?
I mean, tell me, what does the tip do? Does it just look cool or does it do something?
louder.
It looks
so what
cool.
you can do is you can get this
No,
and fucking it
it's
can be
not gonna
loud.
fit. I could always put that. I'm sure that's like $20. I could come here any day and put that on. What we have to do.
What are you looking at, Andrew?
I think, would that be cool, Joe?
Some 240 style blast pipes
Oh, that'd be
coming out
mint.
the back.
Wait.
That's the thread of the bolt.
This is what, Joe. This is exactly what I need, though.
Yes.
All right.
Alright, let's go.
Can we put exhaust wrap on it too?
Thank you. 2000.
Muffler deleted.
Exhaust tip. Thank you for zooming in on my hands. Oh look, 460. Look at that.
That's what John can have.
Yes, sir.
Yo. It's on its head.
Is it?
You're dumb. Look at him. You didn't notice that? You did? You guys are brain dead. All right. This is what we settled for. Glass pack.
Record his card.
Glass pack.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. End of your class. Have a great night.
You too. Oh. Needs that tome, right, Andrew?
What?
Needs that tome.
Yeah, every time you become
So it was a very simple muffler install. We cut the stock muffler off right there and put a clamp. And then this is the cherry bomb we bought. And right here is the stock mounting for the hanger. Obviously the rubber and the bracket aren't stock, but this mount right here is stock. And then this clamp also holds the exit on to the pipe. And the welder I used to weld the side pipes wasn't mine, it was my friend's. So once I buy my own welder, I'm gonna weld this all on. But for now, the clamps hold it on good. There's no leaks, and it was a very easy install. And the exit just goes straight out the side.
Here's a picture of what the stock muffler looked like on the car.
So this is the stock muffler, and right here is where we made the cut. And right here is the stock outlet straight out the back. And right here is where the hanger was.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like if you did, and I'll see y'all next time.